Hello guys, welcome back with another video. So I hope you guys are doing good and fine. So today I'm with my new video and I'm alright. I'm good from my cold fever. I'm recovering up. Okay, I'm recovering up. So today we are gonna see how we are gonna create a Discord bot using BotGhost.com. And I really want to thank people who are all subscribed to my channel and voted for the next new video, but I can't make that video, so I'm making this content today. Okay, so today we are gonna see how we are gonna create a new Discord bot using BotGhost.com. And a disclaimer guys, it is not a sponsored video. Okay, so I didn't pay anything or something. It's just a free video, a free content. It'll be useful for the people. Okay, so first open your browser. Okay, go on a new tab. Okay, and type botghost.com. Okay, BotGhost.com. Over here, click on create a bot. Okay, I have an option called create a bot. Okay, it'll be while meantime when it's loading, let me click on authorize. Okay, meanwhile we are going to create a new Discord application. Okay, so you are going to head to a website called discord.com/developers/applications. Okay, so please don't mind a mess over here. I've been testing all day. Okay, not like from the day I created my account. So guys, we're gonna click on new application, and here we're gonna name it made with BotGhost.com. Okay, so we are gonna check this box called by clicking create. You agree to Discord developer terms of service and developer policy. So click on the create option. Over here you will be redirected to a general information page, and that you can know that our application was created but the bot was not created. Okay, so these are that. So now over here we have two options, like OAuth2 for sure we need it, bot section we need it. So go to a section called bot. Okay, like some people will have the option already. Okay, the option already, or some people will ask some people like to create add a bot. Okay, if the Discord developer application page asks for that, click on add a bot. So over here we need a token and a disclaimer again. Okay, the token should not be shared with anyone, with your friends, your other people, or leaking out. Okay, this might take your bot into a danger or a risk situation where people can hack your bot. So be reminded that it's gonna be dangerous when you put this bot token or give this token to other people. Unless you trust them, you should not give. Okay, so here in my case I am gonna take the token and I will reset the token or delete this application, so I don't need to worry. So I'm gonna reset the token. Let's do it, and I have my token here. Okay, and what we are gonna do is we are gonna check all these three checks in order to approve. Okay, in order to approve that the first intent is presence intent, and once your bot reaches 100 or more servers, this will require verification or approval. So these type of things you must keep this enabled, or an error will come while you making your bot. So make sure of that. So we're gonna enable this 3 of this, save changes, and over here, okay, the token went again, so I'm gonna reset it. Okay, so I got my token here, so I'm gonna copy my token, open my notepad, open, and I'm gonna put in the home. Let's go import okay, so I have my token over here, and now we are gonna go to the OAuth2 section. Okay, here we have a subdivision called URL generator. You can click over there and it will redirect to a new page. Okay, so in here we are gonna find a new checkbox called bot, where it will be over here on your screen. It might be over here on the left hand side or the right hand side. Okay, you can figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna click on my bot, and over here always remember, unless it's not unless it's a moderation board, you can give the administrator permissions. Unless it's not, you can just give the send message, kick members, then read message, view channels, and etc. you need. Okay, but I'm just gonna give these 3 options. Okay, and manage server. I'm gonna copy this URL down below and go to a new tab, and I'm gonna paste this, and I'm gonna click on it, press enter key on my keyboard, where it opens a new page. Okay, it says made with BotGhost.com. It's a bot and want to access your Discord account. So I'm gonna click a server. I'll be hiding this, guys, because it's personal. So what I can do, I'm gonna add to the test server for video. I'm gonna click on continue. Manage, here you can see like the following permissions. Okay, like manage server, click members, read messages, and send messages. Click on authorize. Okay, and it will ask, wait, are you a human? Please confirm you are not a bot. So let's click on the checkbox I'm human, and it will ask for the captcha. Here's once. Let's click on it. Okay, appears once. Okay, I think so I'm all set. Yes, I'm all set. So let's click. Okay, this is taking me to the web app. I'm gonna open my app. Okay, I'm also gonna blur this. Okay, okay, I have. Okay, okay, so I have this thing. Okay, I have that, and where you can see made with BotGhost.com. Okay, so we need to give a life for this bot. We need to give a life so where it can be online 24/7. Okay, so for that you have to head to BotGhost.com. Okay, it says my bot is offline, but it's my original bot, so I need to add a new bot. Okay, so now it is asking for you the bot token. So here we have pasted or created a bot token, so let's copy this and paste over here, and let's click on create bot, where now it creates a bot. Okay, now the bot is online, where you can see any green like a small circle over there. Okay, let us go to the Discord application, and our bot is online. Okay, our bot is online. Okay, so I can build my own command builder, custom commands and more. Okay, so maybe I'll gonna create a custom command. Okay, let's click on next. Okay, so here we need a trigger called taste. Okay, and not the embed reply in the plain. Okay, plain text reply. Gonna connect this with this, as that's a basic, but done. Okay, and send a message to a channel. Okay, and this will come over here for maybe. Okay, so the message will be the message will be the message made with BotGhost.com. This is support created by PCSPL. In Joshua. Okay, PCSPL or let me test. So a specific channel, I'm gonna send it in the general. Okay, I'm gonna save command created. Please give a description for your command. Description test. Okay, let me click on save, and the command was saved. So let me go over here and click on mod chat. If you have a server, you can go for it, because I have a server for this server for you. Okay, so here I'm gonna type slash, okay, slash, and I'm gonna find my bot made with the BotGhost.com. Over here I'm gonna search for test. Okay, and I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna click on enter, and we got the reply from the made with BotGhost.com bot. It's done what we have said in the web page over here, plain text reply. Okay, and the message should already be sent to general. Yes, so it's over here. Okay, this is how we can create a bot with BotGhost.com. Okay, in the next video I will be showing how you can set up like the moderation commands, okay, on this bot. So stay tuned till that video. So I hope you like this, guys. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If it is, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends who don't know how to create a Discord bot or struggling with some codes. Okay, tell them for a time period or just a temporary use you can create your bot using BotGhost.com. So see you in the next one, guys. Until then, I am Alan Joshua. My nickname is PCSPL, and my Discord server link is in the description down below. Okay, so go check that out. Join my Discord server. It'll be awesome. Okay, it's level 1 of perks, so maybe you guys might get a free nitro, but if you join, I will see for that. Okay, if I am giving nitro, a free nitro type of thing, I'll let you know in my community post on my new video. So see you in the next one, guys. Until then, bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and